members of the military who are not political. Our military is very disciplined, is very professional. They have looked for me and they are telling us, speak for us. We don't want that center in Nanyuki Airbase because we also live there. We have families. Anything can go wrong and we need to leave. So the soldiers are very unhappy, but they have no voice. The people of Laikipia, Dr. Kalonzo, Eugene Wamalo, have asked us to hold a meeting in Nanyuki to give them an opportunity for public participation so that they can express themselves, so that the American government can know what the people of Laikipia feel. Because any decision that can affect people's lives, our constitution provides there must be public participation. The people of Laikipia were not consulted. The people of Kenya were not consulted. So I think in the course of the week, we'll organize a big public meeting in Nanyuki, in Laikipia, to give the residents of that county an opportunity to express themselves as to how they feel and the danger that they see.